Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. In this video, I'll be talking about a stock that has been continuously going up, and it's the Aamzon, Alibaba, Drafkings of China. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification because I post content on the stock market, investing, and let's make money together and hopefully we can achieve financial freedom. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor or CPA. Please use your own investment decision. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get on to this video. Today I would like to present a stock that so far few people are familiar with, but its potential will be huge. The company Sea Limited, ticker symbol SE. Current share price is about $228. It reached around $285 in mid-February. The 52-week low is $26. I particularly like this shape of the chart. No many big ups or downs, and continuously and consistently going up. And I expect it will go like this for the next 12 months. Looking further at the chart, we have that around the May area, it was around the $35 range, and February it was around $26. It has just keep going up, and we are seeing a little correction here. It's making higher lows, higher highs. Now we are slightly below this moving average, but let's see the stock and keep a very good eye on it. Sea Limited engages in the digital entertainment, the e-commerce, and digital financial service businesses mainly in Southeast Asia. It also provides mobile and PC online games, esports operation, live streaming of gameplays, chat and online forums. The company also operates Shopee e-commerce platform, meaning payment system and e-wallet. It sounds like Sea is a combination of Aamzon, Alibaba, PayPal, Skillz, Drafkings, but operates in the Southeast Asia. Sea is a leading digital economy player in the Southeast Asia's fragmented market. Southeast Asia's digital economy is on the rise, but navigating this fragmented market of various cultures, languages, and rules is relatively tricky. Sea has successfully tackled the market through a localization strategy. E-commerce, games, and digital financial business are the three main businesses. Growth is expected to continue. E-commerce is still under-penetrated. Mobile games is expanding into esports. Sea has grown tremendously over the past few quarters, and its stock price has jumped sixfold in 2020. The growth story is just beginning with all three of its core businesses, namely gaming, e-commerce, and fintech. Asia has a youthful tech-savvy population with the median age being 30 years old, and of the region's 649 million population, 400 million are online. And here shows some statistics. Internet users are still growing in Southeast Asia, and Sea will definitely benefit tremendously from this growth, like did Alibaba in China and Aamzon in the US. Total internet users in Sea was 260 million in 2015, 360 million in 2019, and 400 million in 2020. 70% of the region's population is now online. Sea's gaming unit, Garena, is a dominant player in Southeast Asia. Sea's gaming unit has seen a consistent increase in user numbers and paying users, with its latest quarter seeing quarterly active users for its gaming unit reaching 610 million, a 72% increase, while quarterly paying users jumped to 73 million, a 120% increase. This in turn helped boost the company's gaming revenue, which jumped 71% to $693 million in Q4 2020, from $404 million the same period a year earlier. A major part of this growth stemmed from its highly popular game, Free Fire, which was the most downloaded mobile game worldwide in 2020 for the second year in a row. Sea Ltd operates Shopee, a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia. Sea's e-commerce division is the fastest growing business segment, with revenues increasing 204% year to year to $822 million in 2019. The momentum continued in 2020, with e-commerce revenues jumping 2.5 times to $2.2 billion in 2020. Tip ranks 11 analysts give Sea an estimate of $285, which is a 26% increase from the current share price. Aside from the SE stock, we have the Dow Jones currently at 193 points up The S&P 500 up 32 points and the Nasdaq up 203 basis points, which is huge, and the Russell 2000 up 31 points. So all four indexes, again for the third day in a row, are going up. We can see the market is starting to come back a little. But this C stock I mentioned in this video, not a lot of people know of. As you can see from the chart, it has been going straight up. So I really love this chart and love what they're doing out in Southeast Asia. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's make money together. The stock market is coming back this week strong, and I think the SE stock is pretty great right now, looking to have a bright future, and I may pick up some shares. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.